All right, Dave, so you have received the software, the TT-Graph software, and I'm going to show you how I will generate a tonnage curve. Right here I have a tonnage monitor. It's a PW Plus. Got a little simulator. You can see one channel shows 0. And I've got the simulator running, so it says automatic monitoring. You can see that light flashing. That's when it receives a signal. I've got my cord, my cord coming in to minus transmit, ground, and minus receive. It's about a 10-foot cable. Pin 2, the wiring on that, on the other side of that, this serial port plug. Pin 2 is minus transmit. Pin 3 is minus receive. Pin 5 is ground. So I'm going to plug it in. I've got it plugged into the back of my laptop here. Oops, I thought I did. Turn it over here. So it's got a female plug. You can get them at Radio Shack. Okay, so I've got it plugged in. And then I'm going to go ahead and call up TT-Graph. I got a little icon here, shortcut. Double click it. You'll see it come up. Gray screen. Looks like you have nothing going on. What I'm going to do here is call up signature. You'll see it at the top, right-hand side, or excuse me, left-hand side. And I'm going to go download from COM port. Then it's going to ask me which driver I'm going to use. I'm going to use a driver called time-based load monitor. Got to do that every time. Then I'm going to say download. I'm going to click download here, but before I click download, I'm going to go over to the tonnage monitor and show you what happens. You can see whether it's communicating by watching these LEDs. And I'll click download, and you'll see them flash. It's downloading. It takes about 10 seconds. Now it's there. Okay, so you can see the tonnage signature. Little light reflection there. I'm using a square wave. These are all milliseconds, and of course your tonnage on the vertical axis, the horizontal of course being time frame milliseconds. All right, and if I want to save it, I would go up to File, Save, and it says star.sig. I'm going to get rid of the star, delete, and I'm just going to name it test, T-E-S-T .sig. So it'll be saved as a sig. Oh, and then it's going to ask me what plant, what part, description, and press. And it has the time, and I'm going to just say save changes. So now it's on my hard drive, and got it there. Now my concern is whether we're going to have the resolution we're looking for in the die that you're using. We won't know it until you try it. Let me know how this goes, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Oh, you can call me at 419-466-9344. Thanks.